Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to reveal status on WhatsApp on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your WhatsApp. Once you're there, go to settings on the bottom right corner, then find the privacy section. So it's under the account section right here, so tap on that. Once you're here, just tap on last seen and online option right here, and here you would have the option to put the last seen, or who can see your last seen, to everyone, your contacts, or contacts with the exception, or nobody. Or here on online, you could also set it to same as last seen or to everyone. So if you want to reveal your status, just set it to everyone on who can see when I'm online, and set it to everyone also on who can see your last seen. Once that's done, that's basically it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.